We hope you've enjoyed your 2-week free trial of the SaeboMAS. This video is going to show you how to take it apart carefully and securely pack it into the black box ready for collection. So inside the lid you will see some photographs to help. So the one picture showing you the contents and how they're laid out without the bubble wrap, and then a picture showing you the contents of the separate items that go in the blue bag. So first step is to take off the blue parallelogram. So I'm going to take off the forearm support first, unscrew these black stoppers. If you have either the elbow stop or the wrist support attached, please remove them from the forearm support, and these go into the blue bag as separate items. Then I'm going to put in the 2 forearm supports, the spare foam liners, the Allen key and the pronation supination attachment, and that goes at one end of the black box. Next to that you'll have the table mount, which you may or may not have used. Make sure that's wrapped in bubble wrap. I'll put that next to it, and then we're going to take this parallelogram off. First step, just fold down the turning handle so it doesn't get caught in the box. We're going to lower the anti-swivel stop and just loosen the silver bolt at the top of the upright pole. Hold on to that. Take the parallelogram off and make sure you just put that bolt onto the upright pole straight away so we don't lose it. And I'm just going to put the parallelogram to one side, as that's going to sit at the very top of the box. So take the upright pole out, loosen these 2 black screws, wrap this in bubble wrap. That's going to go in lengthways into the box. Then the base frame comes apart into 3 parts. Loosen the 2 black screws underneath. Take the screws out, and that helps you get the leg off. And then so that these bits don't get lost, if you can put them back in and fasten the black stopper. And then exactly the same with the other side. So the black screws underneath, take the silver screws out, and then again, if you can put the screws into the legs just so that they don't get lost in transit, and fasten the black screws underneath. And then the large cross section, wrap it in bubble wrap. This goes right at the back of the box with the supports sticking upwards. Then wrap this in bubble wrap. It's going to go right next to it. Just turning that round so black stoppers don't get stuck, and you can screw them right in as well, so they don't get in the way. Wrap the second leg in bubble wrap, and then finally the parallelogram, wrap that all in bubble wrap. This forearm support, just fold that inward so it doesn't get caught, and that's going to sit at the very top. Lastly, you've got the manual booklet that will go in. That will then shut. Clip the lid tight, remove the old shipping labels and stick on the new shipping labels that will be in the box that will bring it back to our office. And you will also see in the bag 2 bits of black banding and some ties. This just secures the lid. So to show you how to use this, this is going to wrap around the box. the plastic clip. So you're going to get these two ends, fold them back on each other to make two little loops, and then these loops go through the top square, and the two little prongs, they fold back on themselves into those two loops. And then the two extra bits of tie you're going to pull so it's really secure, and then repeat that process further down, and then you can just cut off the extra bits of tie. Any questions with taking it apart, please do contact our office for advice and guidance. Thank you.